Hi everyone! In today's video I will share with you what I consider to be the best mashed potato recipe. To make 8 servings of those delicious mashed potatoes, you will need 5 pounds of potatoes, 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, 8 tablespoons of butter, which is 1 stick of butter here in the United States, 20 slices of bacon, 10 cloves of garlic, half a cup of freshly chopped dill, 1 cup of freshly chopped scallions, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 teaspoons of sea salt. The first thing you will have to do is take a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream and 1 stick of butter out of the refrigerator so they're not cold when we're adding them to our mashed potatoes. After washing the potatoes, place them in a large pot and fill it up with water. Bring them to boil and then turn the burner down to medium. It will take approximately 35 or 40 minutes for the potatoes to be done. Carefully pour the hot water out and let the potatoes sit in a pot until you're comfortable touching them so you can peel the potato skins without burning yourself. While the potatoes are cooling off, cut the bacon into small pieces and cook it in a pan under medium heat until the bacon is all nice and crunchy and crispy. This will take about 20 minutes. After you peel the potatoes, place the pot back on the stove under low heat and mash the potatoes a little bit, just a little bit. Then mince the 10 garlic cloves in the potatoes, add the cup and a half of heavy whipping cream, the stick of butter, the 3 teaspoons of sea salt, the teaspoon of black pepper, the chopped dill, the scallions, the cooked bacon, and start mashing the potatoes for about 4 or 5 minutes or until they're as creamy as you want them to be. I hope you enjoyed my mashed potato recipe and I hope you try it. And if you do, please come back and let me know how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.